Guys, the search for Mama Mzobe continues on this week's episode of Mkoka the Case, so let's chat about this and more in this video. Stay tuned. The Friday episode of Mkoka the Case left viewers wanting more. This is after Mama Mzobe disappeared while she was being baptized in the sea, and before that, she was warned by Siphamandla not to go there, but Zobe decided to go there in Nkani, and Nkani led us to the situation that you are on right now. So guys, this week comes with more entertainment from Mkoka as Amajudia in search of Mama Mzobe. I've just watched this Monday's episode of the show, and it appears that things are getting worse. On the Monday episode, the church calls the sea divers to look for Izobiso, but even them couldn't find anything, which is where Tifandlov and the councilman decided to go and report this to Siphamandla. And it doesn't end there. When Tifa gets to Siphamandla doesn't seem to really care about this, which shocks everyone. Phela, Siphamandla is still angry at Mama Mzobe after she told him that she tried killing her son and that she's the one who killed Mthembu. So the question now is Mthembu trying to punish Mama Mzobe for killing him, or he's baptizing her so that she can come back a better person than she was before? Because it's a bit confusing. Phela, Siphamandla was planning a huge punishment for Mama Mzobe, but Mthembu was against that. So I am wondering, Wuti, is this Mama Mzobe's punishment, or is Mthembu's way of cleansing her since she confessed all her sins? I'm really confused. I guess we're gonna have to find out about all of this in this coming week. Now the teasers tell us that Siphamandla will go and talk to Siphamandla and finally convince him to help Mama Mzobe, and after that, Siphamandla will go and assist in rescuing her. Meaning that Mama Mzobe is still going to come back, and I'm not sure whether she's going to come back on the Wednesday episode or the Tuesday episode. I guess we're gonna have to keep on watching the show to find out. So guys, do comment in the comment section and share your thoughts regarding this topic. And if you enjoy content on this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.